Hello, my name is Michael, and today I'll be showing you how to reconnect your cameras back online. So with that being said, let's get started. The first step is locating the devices. First, you'll want to inspect your LTS DVR. There should be a blue Ethernet cable attached to the back. Following that Ethernet cable should lead you to one of two things, either your internet modem or a TP-Link, which is a small white box with two antennas on it. Step 2. Establish or re-establish internet connection. If your Ethernet cable was plugged directly into the modem and not your TP-Link, you can skip this step. Once you find the TP-Link, there should be either one or two blue lights. If there is one light, simply unplug it from the outlet, wait 10 seconds, plug it back in, then wait 1 minute. Once the TP-Link is done power cycling, you should see two blue lights. If you still don't see two blue lights, press the WPS button on the TP-Link, followed by the WPS button on the internet modem, then wait for two solid blue lights. Step 3. Power cycle your DVR. Look at the back of your DVR. You will see a power cord. Simply unplug it, then plug it back in. After 45 seconds, check your LTS Connect app to see if you can see your cameras. If your cameras have come back online, congratulations, you're all set. If not, we'll need to check the settings in the DVR menu with a monitor. Step 4. Reconnect your DVR to the cloud. Hook up your DVR to a nearby TV or monitor if you haven't done so, along with the included mouse. Now, right-click anywhere on the screen, then click Menu from the drop-down. At the top of the screen, click the gear icon next to the word Configuration. From there, on the left-hand side of the screen, click Network, and click to toggle off Enable DHCP, then hit Apply. Then click to toggle the slider back on and hit Apply again. You will know it's toggled off when the slider turns gray and toggled on when the slider turns blue. Under your IPv4 address, you will have a number starting with 192 if you have AT&T Internet, or a number starting with 10 if you have Xfinity. Step 5. Verify. Under General, click PT Cloud. Ensure that the PT Cloud is enabled and your connection status reads as online. If it doesn't, click to toggle the PT Cloud off, then back on again, and hit Apply. If all else fails, give us a call and we'll walk you through some more advanced settings in your DVR. You can give us a call at 866-255-4338.